A very good morning, student, or you all welcome to the online class. Today we are going to mark the question answer in the lesson of plant anatomy and plant physiology. This is our first biology lesson, right? We are going to mark a question answer today. Okay, student, have to just take a book and mark the question answer. Let me move our first question. That is a 1 marks question. Choose the best. Here, what is the first question? Choose the best answer. Casparian strips are present in the dash of the root. எங்க சொன்னோம் எப்படி நம்ம? They are present in the endodermis. We already discussed that, right? Just we are going to mark a question answer only. And next one, second one is the enlarged condition is the characteristic feature. Enlarged another their xylem face towards the inside. இல்லையா? Enlarged and exurge face towards the outside. எங்கன்னு பார்த்தோம்? In that stem. And next one, a xylem and phloem arranged side by side on the same radius la xylem phloem side by side arranged ஆயிருந்தனா that is in a called of what? Conjoined. And next one, which is formed during the anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration la the formation of what ன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. என்ன லேபிள் பண்ணோம்? Anaerobic respiration, they are involvement of CO2, they are act on a carbon, that is a glucose could act பண்ணி they are evolved in that is a eliminate in the form of get an energy of ethyl alcohol னு பார்த்தோம் இல்லைங்களா? So that's it for enough. Fourth, to choose the best answer. Let me more a fifth one is a Krebs cycle takes place in what they are given. Krebs cycle takes place in Krebs cycle where we are studying that in the step of anaerobic respiration. Question answer படிக்கும் போது read பண்ணோம் இல்லையா? A Krebs cycle. Here where they are taken place we are said chloroplast நடக்குமா, stomatal நடக்குமா, mitochondrial matrix நடக்குமா, inner mitochondrial membrane நடக்குமா? Chloroplastல பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா they are taken a glycolysis தான் chloroplastல நடக்கும். Stomatana evaporation, inner mitochondrial membrane they are having a electron transport chain and mitochondrial matrix. So mitochondrial matrixல மட்டும்தான் என்ன நடக்கும்னா Krebs cycle process நடக்கும். சரியாமா? And next one, sixth one is the what oxygen is produced at what point during photosynthesis. Oxygen in the point la produced ஆகும் in the photosynthesis அப்போ. ஓகேமா? That we already write in equations write பண்ணோமா? In that equation what we are written at 6CO2 plus 12H2O gives C6H12O6 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. அப்போ water split up ஆகி their evaporation of what oxygen பார்த்தோமா? Oxygen is produced at what point? In H2O is splitted. ATP synthesis கிடையாது, ADP கிடையாது, CO2 fixed கிடையாது, all of the above இல்லை. When H2O is splitted ஆனாதான் hydrogen and oxygen evaporate ஆகும். Okay, so that's it for choose the best answer. Here the first question of answer in a sentence is what is collateral vascular bundle? எட்டே பார்த்துருக்கோம் இல்லையா? The page number of 174. Just follow that all the things in your book also. Mention your page number. Okay ma? Let me see that where it is. Here a collateral vascular bundle. In types of vascular bundle இருக்கும். Page number 174 ma. Collateral. Okay, அதான கேக்குறாங்க. What is collateral vascular bundle? Xylem lies towards the center and phloem lies towards the periphery. Okay, and add this one also up to this. This is the first short answer. One answer mention பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Okay, let me move on a second question. Here the second question, where does the carbon that is used in photosynthesis come from? They are not having an exact answer to this. We already written an answer in our classic note. Just follow that only. There will be more a third question. What is a common step in aerobic and anaerobic pathway? Common step aerobic anaerobic. Okay ma? The page number of 183. Okay, let me take that 183. So here they are given a glycolysis. Yeah, glycolysis first step of both aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Glycolysis write பண்ணிட்டு both step of aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So this is the third short answer. Third short answer. Okay, let me move on a fourth one. Here a fourth one, name the phenomenon by which a carbohydrate or oxidized to release the ethyl alcohol. Carbohydrate oxidized to release the ethyl alcohol. Phenomenon கேக்குறாங்களா? Just strike out that name. Okay வா, என்ன ரைட் பண்றீங்க? Anaerobic respiration. What we want to write that? Anaerobic respiration. Just write it in a clear way. Anaerobic respiration is the phenomenon by which a carbohydrate or oxidized to release the ethyl alcohol. That's it. Okay, it will be more of for sixth part, a short answer question. The first one, give an account on vascular a bundle of a Dicard's stem in the page number of 177. 177 எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Here they are given a vascular bundle, right? Question என்னது? Give an account of vascular bundle of Dicard stem. Just mark this. So this is the a short answer, இல்லைங்களா? So இது என்ன part அது? There is a fourth part. So just 1 4 னு mention பண்ணிக்கலாம். 1 part number 4. So this is then what? A first question in the short answer. Will be more a second question. Second question is write a short note on mesophile. Mesophile பத்தி short note கேக்குறாங்களா? In the page number of 179. 179 பார்க்கலாமா? Just see here, a mesophile, a tissue present between upper and lower epidermis is called a mesophile. It differentiated into palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma. So this is second question, part 4. Second question, part 4. Will be more a third question. Here the next one, draw and label the structure of oxysome. Structure of oxysome கேக்குறாங்க. In that page number of 183. 183. This is the third question, no? Just a diagram here. This is the structure of oxysome. They are changed the diagram from a previous year to this year. Okay, so just draw a diagram only. This is the question number of what? The third. Fourth part la third one. And it will be more a fourth question. Name the 3 basic tissue system in flowering plant. Here a fourth question is name the 3 basic tissue system in flowering plant. In the page number of 173. What is in a page number? 173. Just see here. Now 173. Here a dermal or epidermal tissue system, ground tissue system, vascular tissue system. So this is the fourth one. Fourth part la fourth question. Okay ma, let me more next question. Here the fifth question is what is a photosynthesis and where in a cells does it occur? Photosynthesis and where do cells in it occur? Okay ma, cells enga occur agudhu kekrangala. In that page number of 181. Just write it here also. 181. See here. This is what? A photosynthesis. And table like this. A fifth question, no? Fourth part la fifth question. And where does photosynthesis occur also? They are asking the questions, right? Mark it this one also. Fifth question, fourth part. So that's it for a fifth question. Here a sixth one is what is a respiratory quotient? In the page number of 186. 186. Here see this a respiratory quotient up to this. Okay ma. So this is sixth question. That's it for a sixth one. It will be more a next one. Seventh question. Here the next one is fill in the blanks. First question of fill in the blanks. The innermost layer of cortex and root is called innermost layer of cortex. Cortex la innermost layer என்னதுன்னு பார்ப்போம். First epidermis. Epidermis na outer layer, outermost layer. அப்போ innermost layer of cortex. next to the epidermis they are surrounded by a full of cortex. Cortex ko inner பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா endodermis. So what is the answer to be here? Endodermis. Okay ma. So that's it for a first question. Let me move on next one. Xylem and phloem are arranged in the alternate radii constitute the vascular bundle. Alternative radii is arranged either okay constitute the vascular bundle. Vascular bundle la xylem and phloem alternative radii is arranged either that is a what? Conjoined. We already discussed about that, right? Conjoined. Here a first question, there are changes to that in a previous last year a textbook to this year. Okay ma. Let me see the third one. The third one is a glycolysis takes place in. A glycolysis takes place in. Where it is taken place? In choose the best answer also we say na. So glycolysis takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell. Where it is taken place? Cytoplasm of the cell. Okay, and let me more next one. Fourth, fill in the blanks. The source of oxygen liberated in photosynthesis is. Source of oxygen liberated in photosynthesis is. எப்போ liberate ஆகும்? when the water source என்ன source oxygen liberated ஆகிறதுக்கு when H2O splitted பார்த்தோமா அப்போ H2O என்னது water இல்லையா? What is the sources of oxygen? Water is the source of oxygen to liberate it in the form of photosynthesis. Okay ma. And fifth one dash is the ATP factor in the cell. ATP factor nala enadhu? Energy. Powerhouse of the cells yaru? Mitochondria. Organelles, that is not mitochondria. So that's it for fill in the blanks. We have completed 5 fill in the blanks. Let me more next one. State whether the statement are true or false. Correct the false statement. The first one is the phloem tissue is involved in the transport of water in plant. என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? phloem tissue involved in the transport of water. phloem transport of water இல்ல transport of what? food material. இதான நம்ம ஏற்கனவே சொன்னோமா? அப்படி change it phloem or xylem also. xylem change பண்ணலாம். இங்க ஃபுட்டுக்கு பதிலா என்ன இங்க வாட்டருக்கு பதிலா we are going to change a food material. Okay, and next one, the waxy protective covering of a plant is called as a cuticle. இது கரெக்டா? ஓகே இங்க wrong இல்லையா? so just write a false. A waxy protective covering of a plant is called cuticle. Epidermis and outer layer. outer layer க்கு ஒரு protective covering இருக்காங்க. there is a cuticle, waxy substance. ஓகே இங்க என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? waxy protective covering of a plant is called cuticle. cuticle என்றது ஒரு waxy covering protective agent கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. so answer is what? Correct, true. And next one, in monocot stem a cambium is present between xylem and phloem. monocot stem la pona cambium is present between xylem and phloem. xylem and phloem. Okay, whether the statement is correct. xylem and phloem வந்து cambium இருக்குமா மோனோகாட்ல? நோ. மோனோகாட் இருந்தது ஒரு ring like structuresல இருப்பாங்க. ஓகேமா? they are having a polyarch number of பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா? so இங்க present இல்ல absent between xylem and phloem. okay, be more next here. palisade parenchyma occur below the upper epidermis. palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma படிச்சிருக்கோம். upper present between upper and lower epidermis படிச்சிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? அப்போ மேல இருக்கிறது palisade parenchyma near to the epidermis தான். so that palisade parenchyma cells occur below the upper epidermis. that is not correct. a dicot rootல present ஆயிருக்குமா? no, they are present in the leaf. okay, and next one, mesophyll contain a chlorophyll. mesophyll நம்ம டிரா பண்ணோம் இல்லையா? palisade parenchyma spongy parenchymaல. okay ma, mesophyll contain chlorophyll. they are given a color to the leaf. leafக்கு கலர் கொடுக்கணும் பார்க்கமா? so answer is true. இங்கே false mention பண்ணிக்கலாம். and next one, anaerobic respiration produce more ATP than the aerobic respiration. anaerobic respiration என்ன பண்ணுதா? more ATP produce பண்ணுது than the aerobic respiration. so answer is true. We already discussed to that, right? Let me move on. Next one, match the following. Here amphicribrel first, second பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா cambium, and third பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா amphivessel, and next one xylem, and fifth one is the phloem. கொடுத்திருக்காங்களா? We already discussed the meaning, right? Amphivessel அப்படின்னா என்னது? xylem surround the phloem. Amphicribrel அப்படின்னா phloem surround the xylem படிச்சிருக்கோம். cambium a present between சைலத்துக்கும் ஃப்ளோயத்துக்கும் present between இருக்கும். xylem உங்களுக்கு தெரியும், phloem தெரியும் இல்லையா? நம்ம எப்படி மார்க் பண்ணது என்னது? xylem பார்த்தோம்னா to transport of what? Water இல்லையா? We already written here also, right? Xylem transport the water, so this is the fourth. And phloem the translocation of food இருக்கா? So this is the 5. And next one பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா என்ன தெரியும்? cambium தெரியும் இல்லைங்களா? secondary growth தெரியும். secondary growthனா they are responsible for secondary growth of a plant. இதுவே நம்ம difference between எழுதும் போது எழுதியிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? cambium that is responsible for a secondary growth. So here this is the third one. Sorry pa, second one. The next one, amphicribrel and amphivessel. Amphicribrel ki example they Taraxicana. They are already, sorry ba, amphicribrel that is the ferren plant. And next one vascular plant ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay ma. Amphivessel க்கு Taraxicana, that is the third one. So that's it for a match of the following. Let me move on a question answer. A part, fifth part. What is collateral vascular bundle? எங்க இருக்கு பார்க்கலாமா? Here the first answer in a sentence. What is collateral vascular bundle? Page number